Yo, what's up everyone? It's Rich, and we're about to dive headfirst into the future. We're talking AI that knows you better than you know yourself. Quantum computers crunching numbers faster than you can say superposition, and cities so smart they make your phone look like a flip phone from the 90s. These aren't just concepts, they're real technologies being developed right now. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unpack the 5 biggest tech trends that are going to define the next 5 years. Okay, let's talk AI. We're talking next-level AI that's integrated into every aspect of our lives. Imagine this. You're in school, but instead of a one-size-fits-all curriculum, your AI tutor crafts personalized lessons based on your learning style. You ace that history test because your AI knew exactly how to make those dates stick. But it goes beyond education. We're talking AI-powered healthcare that can predict illnesses before you even show symptoms. Imagine catching a disease in its earliest stages just because your AI assistant noticed a slight shift in your sleep patterns or heart rate. Picture this. Your AI assistant books your appointments, orders your groceries, even knows what you want for dinner before you do. That's the future AI is building, and it's happening faster than we think. Alright guys, let's get really futuristic for a second and talk about quantum computing. We're talking about computers so powerful they make our current tech look like those old school calculators with the red LED numbers. Instead of bits, which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. It's like having a superpower that lets you explore every possible solution to a problem simultaneously. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize entire industries. We're talking about developing life-saving drugs in a fraction of the time, creating ultra-realistic climate models to combat global warming, and even predicting market trends with mind-blowing accuracy. Imagine a world where diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer are a thing of the past, where we can accurately predict and prepare for natural disasters. In the next 5 years, we're going to see quantum computers tackling real-world problems, and that's something to be excited about. Alright, let's bring it back down to Earth for a second and talk about something a little closer to home, the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. This is a concept that's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. It's not just about connecting devices, it's about creating a seamless, integrated experience that enhances our daily lives. We're talking about a world where everything is connected, from your car to your coffee maker to the traffic lights on your street. Imagine waking up in the morning and your coffee maker has already brewed your favorite blend because it knows your routine. Imagine this. You're driving to work, but your car is already communicating with the traffic lights, optimizing your route in real time to avoid congestion. It's like having a personal traffic assistant that ensures you get to your destination as quickly and efficiently as possible. You arrive at your smart office, which automatically adjusts the temperature and lighting to your preferences. Your workspace is ready for you, creating an environment that maximizes your productivity and comfort. Meanwhile, your city's waste management system is using sensors to optimize trash collection routes, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. This not only makes the process more efficient but also contributes to a cleaner, greener environment. This is the future of IoT, a world where our cities are smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. From energy management to public safety, IoT is transforming urban living in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. But with great connectivity comes great responsibility, right? As we integrate more devices into our daily lives, we must be mindful of the potential risks and challenges. As we connect more devices to the internet, cybersecurity becomes even more critical. Protecting our personal information and ensuring the integrity of our systems is paramount. We need to make sure our data is secure and that our devices aren't vulnerable to hacking. This means investing in robust security measures and staying vigilant against potential threats. The future of IoT is bright, but it requires a collective effort to ensure it remains safe and beneficial for everyone. Alright, let's be real, the way we work is changing. And I'm not just talking about switching from cubicles to open floor plans. The entire concept of the workplace is evolving, and it's happening faster than we ever imagined. The pandemic really accelerated the whole remote work thing, and it's not going away anytime soon. More and more companies are realizing the benefits of allowing employees to work from home, from increased productivity to better work-life balance. Forget those awkward Zoom calls with your cat walking across the keyboard. While they were funny and relatable, they also highlighted the limitations of our current remote work tools. We're talking about immersive virtual reality meetings, where you can actually feel like you're in the same room with your colleagues, even if you're miles apart. Imagine putting on a VR headset and being instantly transported to a virtual conference room. Imagine brainstorming ideas on a virtual whiteboard, presenting your work in a virtual conference room, or even just having a casual chat by the virtual water cooler. These tools are designed to make remote collaboration as seamless and natural as possible. We're talking about AI-powered project management tools that can automate tasks, track progress, and keep everyone on the same page, no matter where they are in the world. These tools can predict project timelines, allocate resources efficiently, and even suggest the best times for meetings based on everyone's availability. Remote and hybrid work models can give people more control over their schedules, allowing them to balance their professional and personal lives more effectively. This flexibility can lead to happier, more engaged employees who are less likely to experience burnout. So, yeah, the future of work is flexible, it's connected, and it's powered by technology. It's about creating an environment where people can do their best work, no matter where they are. The office of the future is not just a place you go, but an experience you have. Okay, let's talk about something that's close to all of our hearts, the planet. Our beautiful Earth is facing unprecedented challenges from climate change to pollution, and it's up to us to make a difference. The good news is that tech is stepping up to the plate, and we're going to see some major breakthroughs in sustainable technology in the next 5 years. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly to develop solutions that can help us reduce our carbon footprint and live more sustainably. First up, electric vehicles. These aren't just a trend, they're the future of transportation. Every major car manufacturer is jumping on the EV bandwagon, and we're going to see a massive influx of affordable, efficient, and stylish electric cars hitting the market. These vehicles are not only better for the environment but also offer a smoother and quieter ride. Imagine a world where gas stations are replaced with charging stations, where your car runs silently, and where range anxiety is a thing of the past. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, making it easier than ever to own an electric vehicle. We're also talking about renewable energy solutions like solar and wind power becoming more efficient and affordable than ever before. These technologies are crucial for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and cutting down greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine a world where your home is powered entirely by renewable energy sources, where your energy bills are practically non-existent, and where you're doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. Solar panels on rooftops and wind turbines in backyards could become the norm. We're talking about biodegradable plastics, compostable packaging, and even clothes made from recycled materials. These innovations are helping to reduce waste and promote a circular economy. This is the future of tech, guys. A future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we all have a role to play in making this vision a reality. Let's embrace these changes and work together to create a better, greener world for future generations. So, there you have it, guys, the 5 biggest tech trends that are going to shape our world in the next 5 years. From AI to quantum computing to the Internet of Things, the future is looking pretty amazing, and I don't know about you, but I'm excited to see what happens next. What tech trends are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe I'll feature some of your thoughts in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.